Imagine for a moment you're standing at the edge of a vast, unexplored forest. The trees are towering, their branches stretching toward the sky like they hold secrets from another time. The forest, however, isn't full of just trees and leaves. It's alive with something new, something mysterious. It's a forest that has been growing and changing for decades, and that forest is called artificial intelligence. Now, I know what you're thinking. AI? Isn't that just robots or futuristic sci-fi stuff? Well, yes and no. Let me tell you a story. Let's go back to the 1950s, a time when computers were the size of entire rooms. People had started to wonder, what if machines could think? Now, don't get too excited. No, we didn't have robots with laser eyes or super intelligent machines just yet. But back then, a man named Alan Turing asked a simple question. Can machines think? And so, the seed of AI was planted. But like any seed, it needed time to grow. It wasn't until decades later, through breakthroughs in mathematics, computing, and data, that we began to see AI slowly come to life. AI, in its earliest stages, was simple. Think of it like a curious child. It could play chess, beat you at tic-tac-toe, and maybe even answer a few basic questions. But here's where the magic happened. As it grew, it learned. It learned from us, from our data, from the world we live in. Just like a child picking up new skills, AI began to see patterns that we as humans might miss. Today, AI isn't just a chess player or a calculator. It's the voice in your phone, the algorithm behind your favorite recommendations on Netflix, and the self-driving car you might someday hop into. The forest of AI is growing fast, expanding its reach into every corner of our lives. Now, let me ask you, when was the last time you spoke to your phone? Maybe you asked it about the weather or to play your favorite song, or maybe, just maybe, you got in your car and trusted it to take you where you needed to go. That, my friends, is AI in action. AI is everywhere, from diagnosing diseases faster than doctors to predicting traffic patterns to save you time. AI is helping us make smarter, quicker decisions every single day. But, and here's the catch, it's still growing. What we have now is just the tip of the iceberg. Now, let me take you further into the future. Imagine a world where AI isn't just an assistant, but a partner. A world where machines help us solve the most pressing problems: climate change, hunger, inequality. Imagine AI collaborating with us, not replacing us. But here's the thing, we're the gardeners of this forest. We're the ones who will shape this technology. AI is only as good as the intentions we put into it. Will we use it for good? Will we ensure it's ethical, inclusive, and used responsibly? Or will we let it grow in ways that we can't control? So, here's the big question. What role will you play in this story? Will you be a passive observer, or will you become a part of the AI revolution? The choices we make today will decide the world we live in tomorrow. We have the power to steer this journey. Whether it's learning more about AI, asking the tough questions, or simply using it responsibly, you have a part to play. The future isn't something that happens to us, it's something we create together. So, let's choose wisely. Now, the forest is waiting. Will you explore it?